Welcome, G3 investors. This is Greg Gallagher. It's Friday, July 17th. And I got to do a little advertising. My CEO gets upset if I don't do that. Since our Model 2 went into being on January 2nd through July 17th, we're up 62.6%. And this is how much we've done this month, or so far, 4.4%. This is a comparison of it to the S&P 500, then the NASDAQ, and then Bob's buy and hold portfolio. Become a patron, and you can get early access to videos like these, setups that I see daily, and I make comments and updates on the market throughout the day, and we have weekly question and answer sessions. All you got to do is put this link into your browser and click on it, and you can become a patron. All right, let's take a look at the thing I want to look at today. Is look at market rotation. The market, we're going through quarterly earnings for the second quarter, and the market looks like it's wanting to rotate here, and I want to see if there's any evidence of that. Here's the SPY. Just so we'll be consistent here, the red line is the 20-period EMA or 20-day EMA. The dark blue line is the 200-day simple moving average. That just tells me whether we're in a favorable market or unfavorable market. And then I have an RSI here to just give us a clue what it thinks is happening. It's just an indicator. Sometimes I'll look at a 10-day chart, and you can see where the SPY pulled back here, and that's got an M8, the MACD, if you will, on it. It just confirms. I like to look at different periods sometimes. All right, let's take a look at, we know what was leading. It was obviously the semiconductors and the technology sectors. SMH, I believe, is semiconductors. Yeah, there you go. Looks like it's kind of going sideways right here. Not really a big mover right now. Maybe if we increase this to 3 months, we can get yeah, there we go. Looks like it's wanting to slow down a little bit. I don't know. Not very definitive there on that one. Let's look at the Qs. This is the NASDAQ 100 Trust Series. Definitely looks like it's kind of going sideways here in the last few days. And if we look at the 10-day, yep, right there, and this 20-period simple moving average here is trending down. So that looks like that's a pretty definite, we're going sideways move. XLK is another. This is the select technology sector. That's the 10-day chart. There's a 30-day chart. Still holding above the 20-day EMA here. So, but still looking like it wants to break down. And if we take a look at, Microsoft is one of the big glam stocks moving here, and that's what it's doing today. Looks like it's might close below its 20-day EMA. I think Apple is holding up better than that. Yeah, much better. Google, whoops. I should call them Alphabet. I can't seem to do that. Yeah, it's holding up a little bit better there. Okay, let's look at some of the ETF sectors where it could be going to. Here's one that's breaking out nicely. Healthcare. Well, we can see went back here and tested the 20-day, and now we got the 20-day rising up as we took off. So we've got a position in healthcare. That's a good one. Retail sales came out the other day, 7.5% gain. Yep, that's definitely looking like we're rotating into that a little bit. XLB is the materials sector. Yeah, boy, we're rotating right into that one too. IJK is the 400 mid-cap 400 growth ETF that we follow. Yep, we broke out here. Let's look at IJT. I think that's the small cap 600. Yep. Yeah, kind of. That one's trading below the 200-day moving average, but it looks to me like it could hold above that and maybe get some action here if this rotation continues. But so far, I'd say it looks to me like we've got a market rotating to, well, let's take a look at gold. GLD. That's holding rock steady there. And silver. The poor man's gold. That's holding up better. That's a much better move there. Silver, in relation to gold, may be breaking out here. So I'd say it looks to me like we may have some rotation going on here. Well, that's the purpose of this one. So this is Greg Gallagher saying good trading and good luck.